Hello guys, today we learn how to advertisement your blog, website and your YouTube channel. Just you add your links and create a banner on this site. So start now. Check it first. Advertisement with blog and website. First ad feeds and reverse time. Link to am under the description. So you open and join now for your means advertisement and your blog and websites for more views and to earn extra money means here. So check out, this is adfeeds.com. my balance is $1.571 and I am also advertising on my blog. Add banner add banners new banner create. So you select 300 466.60, add title and URL your website's blog to create campaign. So and website, if you have a website, so connect your link and new website. So add title, add your website, your blog link, create campaigns. So it's advertisement credit to more views. Check it, this is my blog, 31 display and 27 total to run your, so automatically views on your blog and websites. So if you want more in money, balance $1.57, it is advertisement and earning websites. Second reverse time.com. So it is also advertisement and earning website. Check it, cash link earning 0.0 means 10 cent. So check the advertisement site, CPM banner created and add your site link, advertisement credit, banner create. When people are on this site, click automatically on your website or blog. Link also available in description. So this is two best sites for your extra money means advertisement, your website, blog, more views. Thanks for watching. We are also available on FB by Sharp IT Group, second Twitter and Instagram. Thanks guys for watching this video.